Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we talk about personal finance and everything related to it. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most important aspects of personal finance, budgeting and saving money. Why is budgeting important? Budgeting is crucial because it helps you understand your income and expenses, and it ensures that you're not overspending or living beyond your means. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of your spending and end up in debt. A budget allows you to take control of your finances and make informed decisions about how to allocate your money. Creating a budget. Creating a budget may seem daunting, but it's actually a simple process. Start by figuring out your monthly income. This includes your salary, any side hustles, and any other sources of income you have. Then, make a list of all your expenses, including fixed expenses like rent, bills, and groceries, as well as discretionary spending like entertainment, eating out, and shopping. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can allocate your money accordingly. Remember to prioritize your essential expenses and leave some room for savings and unexpected expenses. Tracking your expenses. Tracking your expenses is an important part of budgeting. It allows you to see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. There are several ways to track your expenses, including using a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or simply writing them down in a notebook. Whatever method you choose, make sure to track your expenses regularly and review them periodically to make sure you're staying on track. Saving money. Now that we've talked about budgeting, let's move on to saving money. Saving is simply setting money aside for future use. There are several strategies you can use to save money effectively. Set a savings goal. First, start by setting a savings goal. This could be anything from an emergency fund to a down payment for a house. Once you have a goal, make a plan to achieve it. This could mean setting up automatic savings transfers each month, cutting back on discretionary spending, or finding ways to increase your income. Reduce your expenses. Another way to save money is to reduce your expenses. Look for ways to cut back on unnecessary expenses like subscriptions or memberships you no longer use. You can also reduce your utility bills by turning off lights when you leave a room, using energy-efficient appliances, and lowering your thermostat a few degrees. Increase your income. Finally, consider finding ways to increase your income. This could mean taking on a side hustle, negotiating a raise at work, or selling items you no longer need. Every little bit helps, and the more you can increase your income, the more you can save. Tips for successful budgeting and saving. Now that we've covered the basics of budgeting and saving, let's go over some tips to help you save more money. Set realistic goals. Make sure your savings goals are achievable so that you're motivated to keep going. Stay disciplined. Stick to your budget and avoid overspending. Remember, every dollar counts. Avoid impulse purchases. Try to avoid impulse purchases by creating a waiting period before buying anything non-essential. Use coupons and discounts. Take advantage of coupons and discounts to save money on purchases you need to make. Stay positive. Remember that budgeting and saving take time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Stay positive and keep working towards your goals. Conclusion. So there you have it, our tips for budgeting and saving money. Remember that budgeting and saving are ongoing processes that require discipline and commitment, but the rewards are worth it. By taking control of your